Sorry, my lord, this mentions in orders. Mention in orders are not allowed here.
Yes.
I have immediately some personal difficulty has come across. That's why I have come here. Because he will remain here because there's a tradition we don't want to break. I have to leave for some other problems. So only the affidavit has been filed by the state yesterday in the evening.
Yes.
At least 3 weeks time we require because now holidays are coming. So if it is not inconvenient, so maybe
file a rejoinder then?
Yeah, I'll file a rejoinder. 25th is it possible of July?
Yes, why not? 25th, a long way off. Yes. Yes.
Okay, I am deeply obliged. Sorry for troubling. Because normally it is not allowed mention.
Yes.
Item number 2 and 3, my lord, of the daily
I am
list.
deeply obliged.
Yes. So they'll be called out. He'll be here.
He'll be here, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 27. My lord, I appear for the respondent state here, my lord. I'm praying
20?
for 27, my lord. On behalf of the state respondents, my lord.
So where's the petitioner?
My lord, Mr. Suna is here. They're here, my lord.
He thought he not informed
They're
him.
here, my lord.
Where's Mr. Suna?
They're here, my lord.
He's not Mr. Suna. Yes.
I'm praying for adjournment, my lord.
How long?
One shirpai. My lord, for 2 weeks' time, my lord.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, Lordship, on behalf of Learned Counsel Arja, Lordship. He is indisposed today, Lordship.
32.
Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay.
I'll leave, Lordship.
If it please, my lord, I beg to mention item number 35, my lord. I pray for 3 weeks time. Item number 35.
35.
Yes, my lord. I pray for 3 weeks time, my lord.
You've informed the other side.
No objection, Your Lordship.
You have objection?
No, Your Lordship.
Or no objection? And say loudly, I thought you had objection. 2 weeks, okay. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Your Lordship. I humbly pray that this matter be taken after 1 week.
29.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side?
We are one of the respondents.
We are number 3.
Oh, CRP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 week?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 1 week, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, seek your indulgence, my lord, to mention item 39, my lord.
Yes.
This matter, my lord, we were informed that the conducting council of respondent state was under treatment in Kerala. Fault is mine. I assumed that she would not take up the matter.
Who's the treatment in
Miss S. Ayan,
Kerala?
my lord.
Miss Ayn.
Sanchita Ayan. Sanchita Ayan.
But apparently she is ready. But unfortunately, I didn't prepare, my lord. I seek some time on this.
1 week.
No objection, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41.
You have objections?
No.
How long?
3 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks, no 3 weeks.
I'll leave, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33 on behalf of Senior Counsel Andy Shula, who is out of station.
30?
33.
Is the other side?
I have no objections, Your Lordship.
1 week or 2 weeks?
Lordship, kindly let it be 2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship.
20?
We have filed 28, Your Lordship. We
Yes.
have filed adjournment for the day as the conducting council is not keeping well, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes. Who's the conducting council?
He's from Delhi, Shantanu. Sir Shantanu.
Sir, note down. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. News.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Kharsi?
I have already informed them, Your Lordship.
You thought we mentioned off today?
Pardon, Your Lordship?
You're
I
ready?
have already informed them that I will take.
Also not need to be ready. Court is ready. In this matter.
So let it come on Monday, Your Lordship.
No, after 1 week, yes.
Okay.
It's otherwise,
Right.
May it please, Your Lordship, item number 40. Pray for once a week time.
40?
Yes.
Craig Allen Dingdo is another case
Yes.
linked to it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There's another case linked to this
There is another case.
That's disposed of, Your Lordship.
You for the petitioner?
Yes.
How long? 1 week?
1 week.
Yes, okay.
Right.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. As the counsel for the respondent is not keeping well.
31 on whose behalf?
EPFO. Similar pair for item number 30.
Lordship, 31, I'm for the petitioner. If I can request for just a week's...
And 30, who's the petitioner? You're a petitioner? You informed them?
Yeah, I've already informed them.
You already informed them? 1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
I'm ready today.
2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. Your Lordship, in this matter, we pray for 2 weeks' time. 36.
Sattu Sangma?
Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
No objection? There's no objection. Very cooperative. 2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
You please, Your Lordship. I
Yes,
beg to
Ms.
mention
Mania.
item 34. 34.
Item?
34.
34.
Lordship,
George Charleston was how much?
yes, sir, I've already
You
informed
informed?
the counsel for responding, Lordship.
How long? 1 week, 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Your Lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Are you pledged?
I'm not hearing.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item 38, my Lord. Taking the consent, my Lord.
Mr. Lordship, no objection.
Mr. Sheikh, no objection? No. 1 week?
My Lord, kindly 2 weeks, my Lord.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
37 is there, no one wants to adjourn it. Might as well adjourn it then, 37 and... Yes.
Daily list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Chandra.
My Lord, here we were...
This is that matter regarding temporary disconnection of electricity, Lordship.
And we have been directed to file an affidavit, my Lord. My
Why
Lord,
you not file
we have
an
already sent the affidavit to department. We are waiting for the approval.
How far the department from the court?
My Lord, the only issue is they have a new rule which says the administrative approval is required for affidavits. So, my Lord, with this we are waiting. At least I need 2 days' time, my Lord.
So on above the orders of the court also they are giving
My
other
Lord,
orders?
that is what we have been saying to department also. These are urgent matters. But, my Lord, just...
You file it by tomorrow or by
My
Monday?
Lord, Tuesday, my Lord, let the matter come on Tuesday. I'll try to do it by Monday. My Lord, 1 and 24, my Lord. 24. 1 and 24. Item number 24 will be seen.
Ms. Arkoni submits that she prays he will out. Excuse me. Ms. Arkoni, another counsel in behalf of the respondents, prays that she will out 1 day's time to file the affidavit. Prays all this the matter on Tuesday. Same on 24.
Item number 2.
My Lord, 2 and 3, we have filed our affidavit, my Lord. Senior counsel has paid for time.
Mr. Dita, Senator Counsel for the petitioner, submits that as the affidavit has been filed, they may without 3 weeks' time to file the joinder. Prayers allowed this the matter on 25th July. Yeah.
Replay, please. 320.
Yes, 2 and 3.
4.
Mosca is on the other side.
Who?
Dr. Mosca.
What's the matter about? 11-6 application?
For appointment of arbitrator.
Who's appearing? Yes.
Isn't disposed, Your Lordship?
Any instructions? They are not appointing arbitrator.
No, my Lord.
You appointed your nominated your arbitrator.
No, not as yet, my Lord. It was supposed to come with instructions.
Yes, as it is submitted that Dr. N. Mozika, learned DSGI, appearing for the respondents indisposed. This matter?
Next week, Your Lordship.
Next week? Next week, yes. On so and so.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
5.
That's what she found. court.
Respondent 6 affidavit is awaited.
My lord, I pray for further 2 weeks time.
You have for William?
Same of William.
Why not filing affidavit?
More than 3
You
times.
don't feel like filing?
We'll file it, your lordship.
What's the matter about?
So we have challenged the election process before the tribunal.
Then without affidavit, we'll dispose it off. You start election process.
Lordship, what happened is we had approached this court challenging the election process. This court has granted us liberty to approach the tribunal.
Yes.
Now we had approached the tribunal, we had filed the election petition along with the continuation application. Now the continuation application has been disposed of, saying that Limitation Act does not apply. So by that, aggrieved by that, we have before your lordship.
Does not apply.
Lordship.
Why? What? Let's see the order.
Lordship. Lordship, the
Where's Mr.
impugn order.
Kriam?
The impugn order will be at page 130, Lordship.
130.
130. So 130A will be relevant.
138.
130A. 130A.
Yes. What does it say, Mr. Namtur? Read it out. It says, where the
second para, Lordship. It is not
Yeah.
disputed that the election petitioner has filed a writ petition before so-and-so regard to dispute in question, and the said writ petition was closed on 28 so-and-so. The result of the election was declared on, and the election petition, according to statute, should have been preferred by party or parties concerned within 30 days,
Yes.
that is within 22/3/2023. When the statute has prescribed the period of 30 days preferring the election petition, the question which has arisen whether this tribunal can extend or exercise discretion to extend the period beyond 30 days for condonation of the delay in preferring an election petition. Further, when the statute has fixed a statutory period, whether Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 can be invoked by party or parties concerned for condoning the delay. Apart from the objection to the prayer for condoning the delay in preferring the election petition, the question which comes to play whether this tribunal has become functus officio in the event a petition is not preferred within a period of 30 days. However, possibly the reasoning shown for the delay, this tribunal is of the view that Section 5 of the Limitation Act is excluded when the statute has fixed a period, be it an election petition or an appeal or anything. Now they have quoted Section 29 of the Limitation Act. Next paragraph. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District so is a statutory law codifying the customs and practice of appointment and succession of CM of Milliam, etc. And Section 6 of the said Act provides a self-contained limitation of 30 days. And the consideration of equity does not apply, and this provisions tantamount to express exclusion of Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963. Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1961 provides extension of prescribed period in certain cases. Any appeal or any application other than an application under any of the provision of Order 21 of the CPC may be admitted after the prescribed period if the appellant or the appellant satisfies this court that he had sufficient cause for not preferring the appeal or making the application within such period. Section 3 of the Limitation Act 1963 provides bar to limitation. Subject to the provision contained in Section 4 to 24 inclusive, every suit instituted, appeal preferred, and application made after the prescribed period shall be dismissed, although limitation has not been set up as a defense. Thus be so, this tribunal cannot deviate from the express condition contained in Section 6 of the Milliam Act 2007, and as set above, the consideration of equity does not apply and cannot be any logically extended. For the reasoning as opposite, this tribunal is constrained to hold that the application under Section 5 of Limitation Act is not attracted, applicable, and this tribunal is not empowered to exercise discretion for condoning the delay, however possibly the reason be.
Yes, but what's wrong with the order, Mr. Nopia?
Lordship, can you see the next order, Lordship? In similar election petition, Lordship, now passed by the same tribunal, Lordship. In that case, they had condoned the petition, Lordship. They had condoned the delay, Lordship. Page 133, Lordship. 133.
This is another matter.
This is another matter concerning the other election, Lordship. Now in this matter, the delay was condoned, Lordship. Now it's the same officer, Lordship.
Where is that? Where is it condoned delay?
134, Lordship. Just the last.
But this is not with regard to Himamalim.
Not Himamalim, but other election process.
You see, the thing is that Langren. This is, let's see. Let's go to Milliam Act. they're separate acts. Now, what the Molong Act say and what this William Act say might be different. There's no point in keeping this matter pending.
Lordship, ma'am, it can come next week, Lordship. We'll address this issue.
There's nothing. It's only on a point of law.
Lordship, that's correct.
Point of law now. If you derive the analogy of election cases, election petitions, Different People's Act, is prescribed there. Suppose you have any grievance election, within 45 days you file your election petition, correct?
Lordship.
Elector or the losing candidate.
Lordship.
Now when they file it, now limitation does not apply in election matters under RP Act. Similarly, if this Act prescribes that you have to file election within 30 days, it's self-contained, the Election Act cannot be applied.
I should kindly see your Lordship's order, Lordship. That liberty was given to us.
Liberty was given, but then liberty is
approach.
given for you to approach, but in the circumstances of whether might have been under 30 days.
There are circumstances why there was a delay in filing the election petition. That has been prescribed in the continuation
application. Come in such matters. Yes.
And the other aspect of the matter is, Lordship, the respondent number 6.
Since the point of law, why don't you file affidavit? Yes, after repeated opportunity granted, respondent 6 yet to come to affidavit. This is a matter for hearing. After 1 week, meantime, affidavit may be filed. It's on a point of law.
Point of law, Lordship.
Nothing to decide. I don't think you'll have a maintainable petition.
We'll try to.
6.
Because that Molong Sadaship will not apply, because unless Molong Sadaship prescribes that limitation there also for a certain period of time. Even Molong Sadaship also. And we'll examine it.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 1 week's time for filing the account affidavit.
Yes.
I was
How many times is sought for affidavit?
Lordship, it will be the 3rd time, Lordship. This will be the 4th time, Lordship.
We've sent to the concerned department for signing, Your Lordship.
7 to 10?
7 to 10, I have taken steps, Lordship. We are yet to receive the status report.
What is your name?
B. Malingyang. B. Malingyang.
Oh yes, sorry, I forgot. Yes, MSB Malingyang. Today, on behalf of Ms. Azarmat, has again sought time for filing affidavits on behalf of respondents 1 to 6. It is noted that this is the 4th time that is the 4th time that this prayer has been made. In interest of justice, however, in interest of justice, further 2 weeks' time granted to the respondents. It is expected that the affidavit should be on board on the next date. Next, with regard to service and respondent numbers 7 to 10, Mr. Emmanuel prays for the allowed to obtain status and to file service affidavit. If required.
7.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time. For affidavit.
Is old matter or new matter?
No, new matter.
Mr. Guru prays for the 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Yes, clear thereafter.
8.
Have you filed affidavit?
It's already filed, Your Lordship.
Already filed?
Yes.
Number 5, what are 1, 2, 3?
Please, Your Lordship.
Not filing?
We'll be filing, Your Lordship. We need some more time, Your Lordship.
How many times you sought? It's a fresh matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Affidavit on behalf of respondent number 5 has since been filed. Stop. Next paragraph. MSN Raji for response 1, 2, 3 prays for further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. Just thereafter.
9.
My Lord, here also I'm praying for time, my Lord. I'm awaiting instructions, my Lord.
Fresh matter?
Fresh matter.
Fresh matter. Yes, 2 weeks' time has prayed allowed to.
2 weeks' time. Yes. Deeply approved.
Affidavit is.
10.
May it please, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I humbly prayed, let this matter be taken up after 10 days, Your Lordship.
After 10 days?
Yes, Your Lordship, because we have tried to contact the petitioner, Your Lordship, but we could not reach Your Lordship, so we have sent him the letter.
Why you don't able to contact him?
because
he's not interested anymore.
He's interested, Your Lordship, but because of his number, Your Lordship. So we have sent him the letter
Because
also.
of his?
We have tried to call.
Because of what does he just said just now? Because of his?
No, we have tried to call him, Your Lordship, but maybe his number is not working.
Orally?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You've tried. Why can't you contact him? If he's your client.
We have called him, Your Lordship, but because of the network, I don't know, Your Lordship, so it's not
Where
working.
Where is he located? Not interested anymore.
He's interested, Your Lordship.
My Lord, on 22nd May also, Your Lordship has granted time. 22nd May also, for this purpose only.
Yes. Today also, Mr. N. Raji, another counsel petitioner, praised that some more time be allowed to obtain instructions due to the fact that the petitioner residing, who is residing in? Where is he residing?
In Uttar Pradesh, Your Lordship.
Who is residing somewhere in Uttar Pradesh cannot be contacted. In interest of justice, further 1 week's time granted. This thereafter soon. So.
Much
Next
obliged,
time we
Lordship.
go to counsel instructions, we will finish off the matter.
11.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I pray further 2 weeks' time may be given to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
The fresh matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks for that time.
Together with number 12, Your Lordship. 11 and 12 are connected, Your Lordship.
2 and?
11 and 12 connected. Obliged, Your Lordship.
13.
Lordship, I pray for some more time, Lordship. I am for state 1 to 3.
The pension?
Lordship, this is pension.
2 weeks for that time. As prayed allowed to the respondents file affidavit. Boleh ke pejap isi ke? Tak 24 baik?
24.
Huh?
24.
Ya, 22. 24 the commission na form.
14.
This is also pension, my lord.
Who's preparing for the
last recent Mr. Brown?
For a 2 weeks time.
15.
My lord, 15 to 23, my lord. I am praying for some time to file my affidavit, my lord.
Let's see what 15 to 23.
My lord? 15 to 23,
Commissioner.
Mr.
Who's
HR,
hearing only one government advocate.
My lord,
it's not recording the other government advocates who appear in this matter. It will just create confusion. And you start filing affidavits one by one, it'll never end.
My lord.
So you can write your names whatever you want, but then we'll hear only one party. We'll hear only one government council.
We rely on the same
and
affidavit.
Rely on affidavit and
Yes, yes.
whatever arrangements you have in your government office, you write your names. Usually is not
My lord,
done
yes.
in a similar matter that many lawyers appear.
My lord.
Yes. Yes.
My Lord, item number 15 to 23 is a connected matter.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am entering appearance for respondent number 5.
Number 5 is?
The
5 is the CM of Nongstoin. We have very limited role also because.
But did you verify confirm and verify the ownership over these lands?
We are only the issuing authority, Lordship. Now, so far.
But you've issued some land document, correct?
Lordship. Allow me some time to take instructions, Lordship.
Mr. Eman Nupur has entered appearance today on behalf of the respondent number 5. So notice is complete all the respondents. He prays for allowed. 2 weeks time to obtain instructions. Similar prayer made by Mr. Gurung for affidavit. Just after 2 weeks. Yes. Can you find it? You add your names, whatever we don't know about it.
Hearing. Hearing. 26.
Yes. She'll bear the burden liability.
Lordship,
9 lakhs.
Lordship, actually, Lordship, here the issue involved is that...
No issue involved. Now the burden, now this respondent
Yes.
has been issued a demand notice by the bank.
Lordship.
For a loan taken by your late husband.
Yes, sir.
For 9 lakhs.
Yes.
Now is she willing to bear the burden also?
Lordship, my instruction is that, Lordship, the loan which was taken, it was utilized for the construction of the house.
Where she's staying?
Of the respondent.
Of the respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Then, but that's in securities, then you have to bear it also. How now she has to pay the 9 lakhs, which she's offering to pay 1 lakh. You take it.
Lordship, because Lordship, the loan was utilized
Where's
only
Mr.
for the
Yubin?
cost.
We're not going to go there. We're going to pass orders. You also will give equal, you also bear equal responsibility for discharging the loan taken by the husband. And from there, maybe you'll get 1 lakh or 2 lakhs from the debts and securities. But debts and securities, so securities also you're asking for the securities of your late husband. So you should bear the debts also if he's your husband.
They have already received some benefits. They have already received some benefits.
See, if you're asking for the securities of your late husband also, then you should bear that. If you say you're the wife, then don't you have to bear the burden also?
Lordship, here, Lordship, my prayer
So just answer that question, yes or no?
Lordship, here my...
Yes or no?
Lordship.
Yes. Right? If you're asking for the securities, you can't ask only for the good part and leave out the bad part.
But Lordship, here...
This poor respondent is now, she's got a demand notice for the loan taken by her husband for 9 lakhs. So you bear equally.
But Lordship, here it is not my prayer, Lordship. I have not prayed anywhere that I'm demanding debts and securities of my husband. Here, Lordship, I'm just impugning the order passed by the District Council Court, which was ex parte order, Lordship. Here, my prayer is also limited, Lordship. I have not nowhere I have prayed that I need debts and securities of my husband.
You have prayed that the succession certificate was wrongly granted to the
No,
lady.
that is not a succession certificate, Lordship.
Okay, declaring her the legal wife. Correct?
Lordship. So
It's
that is
wrong.
what I mean.
So you want that to be set aside.
That is all.
And
This is
then
my
you
limited prayer, Lordship.
And then now suppose you go back to the council and you're declared the legal wedded wife and to share the
In
liability.
that case, Lordship, I have to.
You share the 4.5 lakhs.
I have to, Lordship. Otherwise, I have no option, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Yubin? No one's there on his behalf.
Airport matter. I think there's an airport.
Is in the airport?
There's an airport matter before the decision.
Oh, airport matter. I thought it's... Don't you know? Okay, call it as matter first. Okay, we'll take it next week. We'll dismiss it. Right?
7.
Yes. Where's Mr. Kharnong Bak? What's the matter about?
The matter is about appointment to the post. The petitioner here is a fresh recruit, Your Lordship.
Recruit who?
Fresh recruit before the respondent number 7 school. Lordship, the case of the petitioner was that attachment for the post of draftee was notified. He applied for the post and he's qualified. However, the respondent 7 later on, then instead of appointing him as a draftee post, then he was appointed as a lab bearer. So, aggrieved of that, his approach. And, Your Lordship, as a respondent number 5, Lordship, I am the person entitled to the post of draftee because it's a post by way of promotion. So, that's the case.
Well, yes, Lordship. Lordship, may I please, Lordship? The brief fact of the case is that, Lordship, a post of draftee was advertised by the respondent number 7.
Where's the advertisement?
Your Lordship, the advertisement, I cannot retrieve the advertisement anymore. I have an annex.
It's not an annex?
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
I cannot retrieve anymore because it's...
Where's the advertisement?
I don't have, Your Lordship. I'm representing a private respondent.
Who's this for the state?
For the state?
Is that Nokri?
Ms. Nokri was appearing.
You call her, where's she? Oh, she's very diligent. Who's number 7?
Number 7 is the Paimong. If you kindly see at page 19, Your Lordship, which is Annex 1.
How many councils are appearing here? SR in the for 5, only 1, 4, and 6. That means 2 councils.
She's not available today.
What to do?
Then, Your Lordship, may I adjourn for today?
A week's time, Your Lordship.
4 weeks' time?
A week's time, not 4 weeks.
Due to the absence of MSZE Nokri GA, Direct Counsel for the State, this is a matter after 1 week. But we'll leave down then.